Hi guys, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene. Now today's episode, my friends, it is really a true, delicious, and awesome drink. We are making Pumpkin Spice Coquito, out of this world. You need to give this a try. You need to make this for this holiday because it's absolutely delicious. Now the ingredients are super simple and basic, and there's so much flavors going involved you would not believe. Now I love the old traditional way, but I definitely love the new flavors, and this, my friends, is a must. It's a really delicious treat. So I'm gonna walk you over to the really basic ingredients. Super easy, super simple, and there's nothing complicated about it. Now, alright my friends, now let's begin. Super easy and simple. I have here 1 can of coconut milk, 1 can of pumpkin puree. This is whole 100% pumpkin puree. I have 1 can of evaporated milk and 1 can of sweet condensed milk. And right here for my spices, now if you like, you can simply use just pumpkin pie spice, but right here I have a blend of 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. I have a half a teaspoon of ground ginger. I have 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves, and I have 1 teaspoon of ground allspice. This right here, my friends, simply is pumpkin spice. It's just that it's individual. But if you want and you have the pumpkin spice on hand, you can certainly just use 2 to 3 teaspoons or according to your taste. And I will leave everything that you see here in the description box below with all the measurements and links. So now let's begin in making this awesome drink. Alright my friends, what you're going to need is a blender to get all this started. So super easy and so tasty. So we're going to start off, and it doesn't make a difference in the order. I have put in here now the coconut milk, the evaporated milk, and use the good stuff, guys, because brands do make a difference. So you can go for what's on sale, but really, brands do make a difference in my opinion. So if you're making, and if you have fresh pumpkin, puree yourself, use 1 cup, or if not, just 1 can will do. And definitely if you're making more, if you want to make a big old batch, just, if you're planning on making a lot of this, like to give away to your guests and family, just simply double the ingredients. I mean, it's really super simple and easy. And then the sweet condensed milk, yum. Now, of course, you're still going to have to give this a taste to see if you want it sweetened. Then I'm going to put the spices in. Yes. And then we're just going to blend this to combine. Alright, my friends. Alright, my friends, it's time to pour. It's a nice cupful. Look at that, nice and creamy, and I love the color. It's perfect. Now let's do a taste test. Alright my friends, now it's time to do a taste test. Now as I was pouring in my delicious coquito drink right here, I also put the rest in a nice cute bottle. You can definitely, have fun with this. I have other versions. I have the traditional way of how to make it. I have even the classical way of how to make it, which is using real coconut, making the milk and everything. And I have a chocolate version. So I have a good 3 other versions besides this one. I'm going to leave you the link to those. So definitely check them out. These will make great holiday gifts. And you can even sell them too if you want. So, You know, what I say is be creative and just have fun with it. So now let's do a quick little taste test. Wow. Definitely so smooth and delicious. If you want to add more spices to it, if you think it needs more of anything, have fun with it. Be my guest. But this, my friends, is delicious. This should be on your next holiday table because, you know, Thanksgiving is just but 1 month away. So have fun. Break out the old traditional stuff. Make a new twist to it. I mean, it's so amazingly delicious. This has been my favorite for some time. Actually, all the different coquito flavors are my favorite. If you have a particular coquito flavor that you want me to make, let me know. Leave me a comment below. But definitely give this a try. It is awesome. The color is beautiful. The spices and everything comes together and marries together so beautifully. You will love it. I guarantee it. So thank you, my friends, for joining me today. Make this simple, delicious drink for your gathering or just enjoy it for the fall season. It's delicious. I mean, you can customize it if you want the spices stronger, if you want it sweeter. It's delicious and you can play with it however the way you want it. It's delicious. It really, really is. Let me enjoy this. My family loves it. And I know yours will too. Thank you once again. Don't forget to visit me on my social media sites. And the list of all the ingredients that I used here will be in the description box below. Take care. Bye-bye.